Akiaria mucemanioini wa uiguithanio uria uguitagwo Vegetable for All kuu Nakuru, Musembi niaugite mutaratara ucio wina itanya ria kwambatiria mirire miega na njira ya kugacirithia irio cia mboga niguo kwambatiria ugima wa mwiri.
Nutrition is a very complex issue, but also again very costly to this country. According to the cost of hunger in Africa study that was conducted by the African Union in 2019, Kenya is losing about 373.9 billion every year as a result of malnutrition, and therefore really this means that we need concerted efforts from the government, the private sector, civil society, communities, the media, and all of us really to be able to address this challenge of malnutrition.
Erathi nambere na kuga mena mubango wa kwambatiria ugima wa mwiri na mirire miega kaunti-ini ithano iria nicio Kiambu, Machakos, Mombasa, Nakuru na Nairobi.
We want to develop strategies on how we can create awareness to the residents of Nakuru County and beyond on the need for them to consume more vegetables for improved nutrition outcomes. Our Vegetables for All project is being implemented by GAIN with support from the government of the Netherlands through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in 5 counties of Nakuru, Nairobi, Kiambu, Machakos and Mombasa, and we aim to increase vegetable consumption by 1.1 million dwellers of these counties.
Niarathi nambere na gutariria uria andu magirire kuria irio cia mboga niguo kwambatiria ugima wa mwiri.
World Health Organization recommends that we should consume about 400 grams of vegetables per day, which is equivalent to 5 servings of fruits and vegetables. And research has shown that we have very low consumption of vegetables, which is a very important part of our meals. And as a result of that, that's why GAIN has designed the Vegetables for All project.
Girifotera Muthingi TV, Geto wa Geshi wa Washira.